This is my runner beans and French beans, which I've planted with this structure I've made from branches of ash from a tree at the bottom of the garden here. Now it's got some runner beans at the lower end here, where the tallest sticks are, and I've got French beans are mainly the ones up at the top end. I'm using a violet podded climbing French bean, and I think the runner beans are Armstrong. I might be wrong with that, but in any case I hope they grow well. This place used to be very much covered with some invasive crocosmia. I've had a go at trying to get out as many of their corms as possible, but I'm sure there will be some coming up through the mulch and the bark. You see there's a whole kind of pile of bags where a lot of that is either from the pruning or from the crocosmia corms that I've taken out of the soil here. Now I'm hoping that the runner beans will do well here, and they don't get attacked too much by slugs and snails, but in any case I've put some horse manure in here to enrich the soil a bit, which I hope will help the runner beans. There's the apple tree. The blossoms now finished, and there are a few fruits developing. That's actually a sucker from the key plum. There's a lot of those around the garden. And here's the kiwi fruit plant, a blueberry plant. And this area, I tried to grow leeks here last year, and also some mange two peas, which neither of which did all that well. But I may well be trying some mange two again this year. Does get a bit overshaded, but hopefully that will go well this year. And here's the echiums. Now, Monty Don on Gardener's World was asking for videos, but he was emphatic that they had to be in landscape and not portrait format. Now, this is clearly not a landscape format plant, so as you can see, it's very much a plant for those portrait videos, given that it's